Today, sorry, my voice is kind of clogged. Now today, me and my puppy Georgie will be having some fun. Ready? Oh, and I'm inviting Kit Kat again, since she's not going to be freaked out this time because it was a cute puppy. Okay, I'm ready now. Okay. So, let's get them down. Isabel, when did you get here? Mrs. Pooh? Just a few minutes ago, when you were playing with George there. What are you doing here? Sitting down, of course. Mama's going to the dentist. He said the funny guys shouldn't have me. I shouldn't be around the funny guys. I know why. You shouldn't be around the funny guys. Make you laugh and go off the trap. Make them think you're being mean. Oh, don't you worry about a thing. Me and George soaked up funny gas when we were both kids. We were raised together. I was one, he was one. When I was a newborn, he was a newborn pup. And now the baby, he's a little puppy. He has swell his eyes, the brownies of the mind. He don't got nobody, got the lily boy. Oh, he's my dog. So if I raise my hamster, I will be a gamster. I will be the woo. I will be the boo of the world, 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 of the world. Sometime. Sorry, Macy, just please. Now, we have something to tell my niece, and I don't think you should hear it, so gotta go. Bye.